Hi guys, welcome to my study channel Study Special with KCS. Today our topic is refraction. What is refraction? The bending of light when light passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another is called refraction of light. The light is traveling from one medium to another medium obliquely. Why I say obliquely? Listen. This is a medium and this is another medium. If this medium is air and this medium is glass, okay, the light have to travel obliquely. If I travel perpendicularly, then there is no refraction. It will be passes easily, because I already said in before class, if there is light passes 90 degree or perpendicularly, then it obey transmission. Okay, so it for refraction it have to fall light obliquely. That means it makes some angle that is less than 90 degree. Okay, then if the bending of, then it travel one medium to another medium. Okay, it is a medium 1, it is a medium 2. We don't know if it is glass or it is air. That's it. It only a medium 1 and it is a medium 2. This is its original path. If there is no any medium, then the light is going through it. But due to presence of another medium, it may be bent this side or may be bent this side. This bending of light, this bending of original light is called refraction. Understand? Then go for what is medium. Medium in which light can travel. Through which the light can travel is called medium. Among medium, air is a medium because light is passed through air. Water is also, glass is also, alcohol is also, and different type of medium is there. Among medium, one is rarer medium, another is denser medium. What is rarer medium? What is denser medium? Rarer medium is less density. What? Rarer medium means less density. Denser medium means more density. Okay, understand? Okay, listen. Here is a market. It is a market complex 1. It is a market complex 2. Okay. It is the market of normal day. Okay. It is the market of normal day. And it is the market of shutdown day. Today we know this period is shutdown period. It is shutdown day. If the person Ram having cycle, Ram wanted to pass this market area. Due to normal day, there is different crowd. Many crowd is there. Okay. Here, shutdown day. So, hardly 2 or 3 people or less crowd is there. It is more crowd. It is less crowd. Due to shutdown. Okay. Here is Ram also, here is Ram. Then Ram wanted to pass this market from this point to this point. From this to this. Here is also Ram wanted to pass this market from this point to this. Then in which market complex Ram goes speedily? Due to many crowd, so Ram drive his cycle slowly. But due to less crowd, Ram can drive cycle speedily. Okay. Then the velocity of Ram for market 1 is what? Less. But here the velocity of Ram market 2 is what? More. That means due to more particle in this market, the velocity of Ram is less. Due to less particle in this market, velocity of ram is more. Understand? Similarly, velocity of light in air, we know 3 into 10 to the power 8. Velocity of light in water, 2.25 into 10 to the power 8. Velocity of light in glass, 2 into 10 to the power 8. Due to less speed, it is more density. Glass have more density. Okay. Due to velocity of water, it is also medium density. And it is the less density. Then it is the increase of density. Understand? Due to more velocity of speed of light in air, so it have less density. Due to more velocity of light in the glass, so it is a more density. Understand? Increase of velocity of light, the density is decreases. Okay? Then I describe how refraction, why the refraction is occur. Okay? Listen. It is the water medium. It is the air medium. Then water medium means as compared to density of air, the water is what? Denser medium. Okay? Due to air, it is the rarer medium. Clear? Then the light start from this point. Okay? The light fall on this point. It is the what? Incident ray. It is the incident point. Okay. Some reflection is occur. Why? Listen. It is a medium. It is another medium. This medium separation is act like a mirror. This medium separation act like a mirror. Due to mirror, some ray also be reflected. Okay. Another some ray, it go through the refraction. Then say how it refraction, what is the cause of refraction. It is a denser medium, it is a rarer medium. This is a, suppose this is a man. The man is traveling this. Due to rarer medium, it is the empty space. Okay. Due to empty space, listen, velocity equal to distance by time, speed equal to distance by time. Okay. Speed equal to distance by time. If time is same, then I can say speed directly proportional to distance. More speed, then it go more distance. Listen. Due to denser medium, speed is less. Due to rarer medium, the speed is more. Okay. Due to more speed, it have to travel more distance. Okay. Then it's the final destination. You can run in your school, so it is the final destination of your. Then it is the real path. Due to more speed, so it cover more distance. Then this point have larger distance, or this point has larger distance, or this point has larger distance. This is point A, B, C. This is OA or OB or OC. Which is larger? OC is larger. So it follows this path. Understand? What is the concept in behind this? Due to less particle, due to rarer medium, the speed of light is what? Increases. So due to the speed of light increases, the distance also increases. Okay. Then here is the another case. The light, here the light is travel water to air. Here is the light is air to water. Okay. The light is travel air to water. The light is fall on the point O. Some ray is reflected and other rays are going through the refraction. Listen. Here is the normal. The original path of this light is, then OA, OB, OC. It is what? Rarer medium. It is what? Denser medium. Due to denser medium, what? Due to denser medium, velocity was decreases. Due to velocity decreases, distance also decreases. So then say which is less distance, O is less distance, OB is less distance, or OC is less distance. OA is less distance. So it follow this path. Okay. Then our conclusion is when light travel denser to rarer in different medium, denser medium to rarer medium, the light, it is the normal, it is the original path, the refraction light away from the normal, the refraction light away from the normal. Understand the point? If the light travel rarer to denser, what will happen? The refraction light comes toward what? Comes toward normal. Listen, it is the original path, but this lies what? Away from the normal. So here is also original path, but real path is toward the normal. Understand these 2 points and the all concept behind this. Okay, next go to next topic. See, it is the rarer medium, this side is rarer medium and it is the denser medium. Okay, the light travel from rarer to denser, it is go toward the normal, then it is the incident ray, it is the refracted ray, it is the normal, it is rarer medium, it is denser medium, then this angle is I and this angle is R. It is incident angle and that is refraction angle. Okay, according to laws of refraction of light, first law, the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at point of incidence, it is the point of incidence, it is the normal, all lie in same plane, Second law, it is the relation between I and R. What? It is the relation between I and R. Which is given this relation? This relation is given by Snell in 1621. Okay? Then, according to Snell law of refraction of light, the ratio of sine angle of the angle of incidence to the sine angle of refraction. Sine angle means sine I by sine R is what? Sine I by sine R what? Constant. And this constant is known as refractive index. And this refractive index is denoted by mu. What? Mu, not meow. That is mu. Okay? Then, here is the refraction. It is medium 1 and it is medium 2. Listen, all concept is here. Listen. Medium 1, medium 2. If light travel medium 1 to medium 2, medium 1 to medium 2, how can I represent refractive index? Mu 1 to 2. Okay? 1 to 2, listen. I give this pen, this is my right hand, I give this pen left hand. So, I giving the left hand is upper part. Who is taking? Taking is left hand. Right hand is giving. So, it is upper part. Left hand is what? Taking. So, it is lower part. Then, who is giving? That is always upper. Who is taking? That is always lower. So, 1 is, the light is travel from what? 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Okay? Listen. The light is traveling 1 to 2. So that is 1 to 2 equal to what? Mu 2 by mu 1. Okay? it is I, it is I, so I can represent as sin I by sin I. Incident angle, the when from where the light is travel. Refraction angle, to which medium the light is travel. Okay, then the light travel from 1 to 2, 1 to 2. For this I can represent as this. Lower part is refractive index of 2 by refractive index of 1. To this, how can read this? To this symbol, how can I read this? It can be read as the refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. Okay, the refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. Understand? Listen. If it is mu of A to B, how can it be read? Refractive index of B with respect to A. Okay, refractive index of B with respect to A. Then, listen. It is the air medium, it is the water medium. It is the normal, it is due to rarer, it is denser, it is to what? Okay, then the light is traveling air to water. What? The light is traveling air to water. So I can write this mu air to water. Then it is converted as mu water by mu air. Okay, then another. It is glass. It is what? Water. It is normal. Glass is what? Denser. Water is rarer. Then away from the normal. Okay. The light is travel what? Glass to water. So I can write this mu glass to water, that equal to mu water mu glass. Understand? Okay. Another case. It is air, it is glass. Then it is rarer, it is denser, so 2 are the normal. Then air to glass, mu air to glass, then mu G by mu A. Okay, understand? How can I represent? How can I read this? Refractive index of water with respect to glass. Refractive index of water with respect to air. Refractive index of glass with respect to air. Understand? How can you read? Then go for absolute refractive index. Okay, go for absolute refractive index. If light travel from vacuum or air medium, then we call absolute refractive index. Listen, here the light is traveling what? Glass to water, so it is not absolute. It is not absolute. But here the light is traveling what? Air to water. If it is given from air, then it is absolute. It is also from air, so it is also absolute. Understand? What is absolute refractive index? If the light travel from air, then it should be refractive index. That means mu A to glass, that means mu G by mu A. That can write as mu G only, because refractive index of air equal to 1.003 and refractive index of vacuum also 1. So it is similarly nearly equal. So I can refractive index of vacuum nearly equal to refractive index of air. Understand? If any given the light travel from air to water, that means what? Mu A water by mu A. That can I write mu water. It is the absolute refractive index. Understand what is absolute refractive index? Then in velocity term, mu of medium. This medium may be glass medium, this medium may be water medium, any medium. The refractive index of medium is velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light in given medium. Okay, then mu of glass. Here is given mu of glass. Mu of glass means velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light in glass. Okay. Then velocity of light in vacuum is what? 3 into 10 to the power 8. Velocity of light in glass, what? 2 into 10 to the power 8. What? I can cancel, then 1.5. Okay, 1.5 is there. Okay. Similarly, refractive index of water, then it is medium place of medium. What is given? Water is given. So I can place a medium, I can place water. Similarly, only this formula. Velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light given medium. Which is given medium? Water is given medium. So water. We know 3 into 10 to the power 8. Velocity of light in water what? 2 point what? I already discussed. 2.25 into 10 to the power 8. After cancelling, it will be 1.33. Understand? How can I calculate the refractive index of different medium considering as the velocity torque? Okay, then go for next. Listen, we know speed equal to what? Speed equal to distance by time. Okay, we know speed equal to distance by time. Okay, then if in case of light, speed of light equal to what is the distance? Wavelength is the distance by time. Okay, in case of light, in vacuum. Okay, it is the equation 1. If light in given medium, we don't know that, we can take any medium. Hello? Given medium, that equal to V equal to lambda dash by T. Same time. Okay? It is equation 2. Then 1 divide 2. C by V equal to lambda by lambda dash. Understand? What is the C by V? C means velocity of light in air. V means velocity of light in given medium equal to lambda by lambda dash by lambda 1. Then this is the formula of which? This is the formula of refractive index of medium. Understand? Equal to lambda of light. Lambda this what? Lambda of medium. Okay? Then mu inversely proportional to lambda. What is the relation? Mu inversely proportional to the lambda. Inversely proportional to the wavelength. We know red is more wavelength. So the refractive index is red is less. Okay? Violet is less wavelength. So it a more refractive index. Refractive index is only opposite. That means increase of refractive index, wavelength decreases. Decreasing of refractive index, wavelength increases. Understand? Then go for reversibility of light. What is the reversibility? Then if I can the light reverse, listen, it is the rarer medium, it is the denser medium. The light is traveling from rarer to denser. It is its original path, but it refracted this path. If I placed a plane mirror which is perpendicular, then what? It direct reflected, and it is plane mirror. So this part is what? Silvering. So the light follow same path. The what? The light is follow same path. How? If I placed a plane mirror perpendicular to this ray, then it go to the same path. Understand? It is the reversibility of light. Okay? Then listen. Okay? Then listen. Reversibility is n. Only this is the reversibility. If I reverse the light in same path, it is called reversibility. Listen. This is the medium 1. This is the medium 2. The light is traveling from 1 to 2. It is I. It is R. The refractive index of where is the light? 1 to 2. That means mu 2 by mu 1. Okay? Then it is the I. It is the that equal to sin I by sin R. This is. Then if another in this case, if I can light travel from 2 to 1, what will be refractive index? 2 to 1. Okay? Then mu 1 by mu 2. Then it is the R. So sin R by sin I. If I multiply this, what? If I multiply this, that equal to mu 1 to 2 into mu 2 to 1. What will be happen? This will be happen. Mu 2 by mu 1. Mu into mu 1 by mu 2. Sin I by sin R into sin R by sin I. Then it will be cancelled. Okay? That means mu 1 2 into mu 2 1 equal to what? 1. Then mu 1 to 2 equal to 1 by mu 2 to 1. If it is alternate, then it is become reversible. Okay? Then mu 8 to glass, that equal to 1 by mu glass to air. Okay? Understand? Then go for next. In next section, we will study about the refraction through glass slab and what is the lateral displacement, etc. So, if you like this section, then like, subscribe and share this video to others. Okay? Thank you.